guys, so we're at the birthday party. I haven't vlogged yet. There's the birthday boy. He just took a nap. I know. And we're gonna get him dressed. And I'll show you guys the haul and everything. There's my amazing husband who puts up with me through everything. And I'll show you guys my outfits. I'm gonna try my best to vlog as much as I can. We've been rushing like crazy because we woke up so late and we got everything done within 2 hours. So we're so excited to show you guys everything. Okay guys, so we're in the locker room right now. I have to get my son ready. He's right there. There's my sister holding him and my best friend, Manahil. And he's so happy. So happy. So we can't wait to show you guys everything. We're so excited. I did tattoo henna and you guys have to look at it. There's her outfit. Look at that, so beautiful. Look at these guys. Look. Hey guys, this is my outfit. My mom got this made in Pakistan and it has like a little shawl with it, which I'm not wearing right now because it's just too much. And I did my hair like this. I did henna tattoos because I did not have time to do the real ones. And here you go. I just kind of like it anyway. And then I did like sticker nails. But these are awesome. I'll show you guys where I got these from Rite Aid. All right, and this is the lip I did. It's MAC Ruby Woo.
Close your eyes. Show them your eyes. She actually did a cut crease, which is shocking. A little crease in the corner.
Hold up, Adam's crying. So this is the haul, you guys. I asked them to do red and blue lighting. We did the little runner. The cones are all over, but it's okay. We'll fix that. And then we have, this is his backdrop that I did. My husband helped me put this up. This is his cake. It looks amazing. So Rick made that with a 3D printer. And then that's Adam's smash cake. And so it's my brother's birthday too. And Adam's great-grandma, Nan. Okay. And then we have these cupcakes. And there's the cupcake toppers I told you guys about. And then the flags and the trophy. And then we have stick shift dipped Oreos. My sister did those name tags. Little brownie bites. We put Reese's because they're orange. Oil dipsticks. And then we have the traffic cones. And then Rice Krispie treats, his lollipops, spare tires, Hershey bars, and traffic lights. That's cute. And then we got this. And then we got the Hot Wheels. And then 1, 2, 3 till 12. His high chair. And all those gifts. We have a slideshow for him. There's our families. Okay, so we're here, guys, and this is what we wore. Adam is out there playing somewhere. And this is all our stuff. And we'll show you guys the entrance soon too. Thank you.
Hey guys, so
Hey.
it's after the party,
Yeah,
and if you can hear from the background, it's still going on.
I know. Adam and Rick are playing.
It's really just Rick.
It's the
pressing
after
buttons.
party, so it was a lot of fun, you guys. I know I didn't get a chance to vlog as much, but oh my gosh, that was amazing.
It was awesome.
It was way better than I imagined.
Seriously, and like even though the Hot Wheels theme, the orange and blue, isn't super cute, Nita pulled it off.
Worked.
It
I was like, oh my god, these colors
cute.
do not go well together, and it actually worked out.
It went so well,
Yeah.
and everybody had a blast. The food was pretty good. Like, you know, it was just an awesome time, and
Yeah.
I hope she had fun.
I did. Gosh, I'm so happy. And right now it's the after party. Woo! We
So,
did it.
yeah, we're about to have family over for some
Yeah.
chai and, you know,
It'll be nice.
all that good stuff.
Yep.
And then off to bed with some
to bed.
Tylenol
Yeah, oh my
for
God.
everybody.
Yes.
Everybody's just
It was
taking
a
shots of
long,
Tylenol tonight.
long day.
It was very long, but it was worth it. To see that thing?
Yes. Here's the after party, guys.
His shirt still says happy first birthday, Adam.
Adam! Yeah, I got that shirt made from Etsy. It's so cute, and it's a Hot Wheels theme. It says happy first birthday. Adam's first birthday, sorry. So he's just having fun now.
I taught him something new.
She taught him that. So cute. Nope. He's tired.
Never for the camera.
I know.
You gotta help your mom open the package.
What is that? Oh wow, that's so cool, Mom. Our sea magic set.
Oh, he likes them.
Thank you, Mom, so much.
Oh, okay.
Oh, look, it has a bird in it too. Thank you. Oh, look at this. Wow. Look at that. Push and pop.
It's just a
Bulldozer.
Oh, no. No.
Happy first birthday. Happy first birthday, love Jean, Larkin, and Gina Bailey. Check for $50. That's so sweet. Oh, little truck. It says Adam's Trucking Company. That's so cute. That's adorable. Oh my god.
Hi. So welcome to Nita Project. I'm obviously not Nita, I am Rita. So on my channel you can find instructions for the project and you can read through them all. So this is the car part that she does not know how to fold because she keeps ripping it. So I'm going to show you how to roll it. Adam is right there in this little square. So we're going to go ahead and get started with, because I like to fold it all the way inside. So I'm going to roll this guy right inside. And I like to kind of put my hand on the inside and hold it this way. Buddy! And kind of pinch this flap down. Just so that I can get that nice crisp fold. And once we get to that point, we're going to pull it right back out. Then fold the other side. This time, keep it facing up towards you. And fold it gently where that flap and cut is. You wanna help me fold something? Hey, here you go. You help me fold. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, you're gonna put that right back inside. You did close enough. You did good.